Hi, this is Harish Bali from technofair.com. If you always wanted your mobile device to generate PDF but didn't know how to do that, well, I'm going to talk about Cam Scanner app which generate PDFs on Android, iOS and Windows Phone with lot of ease. There are three primary reasons why I like this app. First, you can scan and digitize any document on the go. Second, easily convert images to PDF. Third, it has secured cloud storage to access all documents from any device. You may access them at camscanner.com with your login credentials. To download this app, you can go to Play Store and look for Cam Scanner Phone PDF Editor. I have already downloaded it. I am opening the same. At this stage, if you are wondering why PDF and why not JPG to store documents, I have three reasons to answer that. First, PDF does not occupy as much space on a disk as compared to a JPG or a PNG. Second, this app helps to crop image. Third, PDF is useful for official and business documents. You will need to register or simply tap on the Use Now link to start using the app. Once you are on the home page, tap on this camera icon and bring the document that you want to scan under the camera like this and tap on camera. Rotate the clip like this. Crop it by pulling the corners like this. And if you want to take it for full screen, simply tap on this icon. Click on this tick button. Magic color on the top is for rich and sharp colors. Gray mode helps to preview documents as printed. Black and white, this removes shadows and noises. It's best for printing and faxes. If you have taken photo in a dim light, you may use lighten option. You can manually adjust contrast and brightness from here. Reduce it or increase the contrast. Similarly, make changes in brightness. This is the setting for details. Once done with this, again tap on this click mark. Now the PDF is ready. Tap on this share link and decide whether you want to share the PDF or JPG image. I am tapping on PDF file. Choose the sharing option and sharing can be done easily. Go back. Let's explore this menu from the top right. If you have already got an image on your mobile device and want to convert it into a PDF, you can use that by using this option import from gallery. Let's go to PDF settings. You may set a password for the PDF, change PDF orientation, or you may also change the layout of the page. I am moving it from A3 to A4. Using this invite option, you can collaborate with other people on the same document. There are two ways this can be done. This invite can be sent through an email or through an SMS. Go back. You may also put in your comments. Email to myself is simple to understand. Set tags. This can help to group similar documents into similar heads. Rename a document. Manual sorting. Move a file up or down manually. Select. You get this checkbox to select a document. Copy the document. Upload, print or fax. Delete it if you don't need it, or save to gallery. Back to the home screen. Tap on this menu from top left. These are my docs. These are the docs which are shared with me. Tags. There are few tags to choose from, or you may choose new ones. The premium version of this app comes with many rich features like edit and manage documents anytime with OCR. OCR is optical character recognition. Create doc, collage for multiple pages, add 10 GB of cloud space, etc. Through an example, I will show how optical character recognition works on search. There is a document that has got the word tenant. I am typing TEN. So it has picked up the word tenant. This is the document that has got the word tenant. Cloud space. Free users are provided with 200 MB of free usage on the cloud. If you write a review, you get another 200. Similarly, there is an opportunity to get about 200 to 300 more MBs of space on the cloud if you do all these things. In my experience, CamScanner is the best app to convert documents or images to PDFs on the go. I'm sure you are going to like it too. If you found this tutorial good, do give it a thumbs up. Also watch other interesting videos by clicking on the links appearing in front of your screen. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.